If one has faith, one has everything. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sonya Lauren, and I am back with another video. Be sure to click that subscribe button and let's get it. So the first thing you're gonna need for this green tea latte is matcha powder. Check the description box to purchase yours. Next, you're gonna need some sweetened condensed milk. Y'all, I do not use sugar to sweeten my teas. I strictly use sweetened condensed milk, and in Jamaica we say condensed milk. We don't say condensed, we say condensed milk, but y'all understand. Next, you're gonna need some, you guessed it, almond milk. And y'all know I get the Almond Breeze brand, but get the original almond milk with 60 calories. Do not get the vanilla almond milk. You can try it, but I never tried it with this, so I don't know. Of course, you're gonna need some type of blender to blend everything together. Next, you're gonna need some vanilla extract. I cannot say that word, but y'all get it. This helps to balance out the bitterness in the matcha powder, so yeah. And you're going to need a clear jar. This one isn't as attractive, but y'all get it. You need a mason jar. And you're going to need a straw. I just showed y'all the whole pack, but you just need one. Just one. But if you make it more, you're gonna need more. And then 1 teaspoon measuring spoon, but if you don't have one, you could just guess. Like, honestly, it's not that serious, but I had one, so I was like, let me show y'all. And then 1 cup of ice. Okay, y'all get it. 1 cup. All right, we got it. Okay, so basically I'm about to pour my almond milk into the 1 cup measuring cup. And I spilled it when I was putting it in it, so I got a little bit more. I could be a little clumsy at times, just sometimes. And then next, you're going to need your 1 teaspoon, and I'm putting 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. You could put 1, but I like to really taste the matcha, so I'll be putting 2. Okay, so then you add your vanilla extract and you get the 1 teaspoon. You only need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's it. And like I said, this helps to balance out the bitterness. You won't even taste the bitterness of the powder once you put that. Okay, and then I'm opening up my condensed milk, and I'm not gonna use the 1 teaspoon because it'd be too hard to like clean when I put condensed milk in it. So I'm just using a regular spoon, and I'm kind of just guessing. Like I said, I use condensed milk all the time to sweeten my tea, so I kind of already know. So I put 1 spoon, then another spoon, and I decided to put 1 more spoon. Now it's time to blend it all up. This is my favorite part, when you blend everything together. Okay, the best part, literally. Now I tasted the latte and I feel like it could be a little sweeter, so I added another spoon of condensed milk, just 1 more spoon. So right now that's 4 spoons that I added, and about 4 teaspoons. Okay, so I blended it back up just to make sure, and I tasted it again just to make sure it's sweet like I like it. Not too sweet, but sweet enough. And then I added some ice to the jar. And the jar is just for aesthetics, y'all. Y'all could put it in a cup. And boom, look at that. Yes. Woo, with the ice, then you put the straw in there? What? Y'all get the first taste. Y'all know y'all always get the first taste. Now, I'm just about to reveal to you guys, but get some more, y'all. Taste it. It tastes good. Did you taste it? All right, one more time. Okay, that's enough. Hold on. That's enough. That's all y'all getting. Period. Okay, so my turn. And I put the little lemon just to add like more to the aesthetics, but I want to tell y'all to put lemon in there. It'll really change the taste of it. I literally just put that for aesthetics. And now I'm just about to drink my latte because it tastes so freaking good. Scroll through my emails, make sure I ain't missing nothing. And yeah, just chilling, kicking my feet back. I'm just sipping on it because it tastes so good. Please try it. I hope y'all go get y'all some. Go make y'all some. Stop giving Starbucks all your money. Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Comment down below. And I love you guys. Bye.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be. Poses like my shoes, I have a collection. I get some all, don't care what complexion. She be and like a fish, I reels her in from my hook. Look, I just read them like a book.